If you're stuck in the same fight on repeat, your relationship doesn't need more therapy, it needs a better strategy. Every couple goes through these three phases: harmony, disharmony, and repair. But most get stuck in the second. So we specialize in the third, what we call returning to love. And we made it into a game. We say, first one to return to love wins. So we came up with 3 secrets to help you stop fighting and reconnect faster without needing a therapist in the room. All right, secret number 1. You don't need to avoid conflict. You need tools to repair, or better tools to repair. Where do those tools come from? You got to learn them. That's for sure. Secret number 2. Being first to love is powerful. It's not weak. You know, Lori and I, anytime we get into a kerfuffle where we're back and forth at it, one of us will eventually stop and say, all right, how do we return to love here? That's a good question to ask. Secret number 3, love isn't lost. It's just buried beneath ego. In fact, you don't fall out of love. Oftentimes, love goes somewhere to die. We call that the 3 R's. So, want the tools to stop the fight and come back to love fast? Join us Saturday, July 12th for our live webinar. Click the link or comment "Love Wins" for your invite.